which is very funny and interesting, and it's just nice na music and songs don't have like an expiry date. Kasi tagal na ng song na yan pero ngayon lumabas siya ulit because of social media.
Touching on the topic po, has someone ever propose na parang pwede kayo po ba yung maging wedding singer namin?
Oh yeah, ang dami kong weddings na nakantahan na witness ko yung kanilang history. I mean, like, I have friends na, team song nila kanta ko, and then, nung magjowa pa sila, and then nung kinasal na sila, they asked me to be part of it. So, those are the stories that really give me purpose na parang, yung kanta ko, yung boses ko pala is part of their lives, na nagiging parte na ng mga buhay nila. So, mas nagiging extra special yung existence ko sa showbiz, na hindi lang ako kumakanta, but I'm part of their lives actually, and hindi na mawawala yun, di ba? I mean, like, written in history na yan sa kanila. So yeah, that's one thing that I'm really happy about.
Touching po on Stella, and then this group as SB19, and then Dini, there are a lot of young groups who are making a name for themselves today. Ano pong nararamdaman?
I'm happy, very very happy na there's a diverse change in the industry of music, P-pop, diba? Industry na parang dati pag sinabing P-pop, it's just the pop singers, the balladeers and the biriteras. But now there's these P-pop groups. Ang gagaling nila. I mean, and what I really admire, especially with SB19, that they write their own material, and they're very unapologetic. I mean, like, they say what they want to say, but in a nice way, and that's how it's supposed to be. Even with other artists, when you want to convey a message, you can say it in a nice way without offending other people, di ba? But bilib na bilib talaga ako sa mga bagong artists ngayon. They inspire a lot, even kaming mga medyo vintage na mga artists. They inspire us a lot to be more, kumbaga, to be more creative, and wag kaming mag-set on steady lang sa mag-settle na lang. So we grow because of them as well. So they are now the lifeline of the Philippine music industry. So suportahan natin sila. Wag na tayo mambash, wag na tayo mag-pit ng artists against each other. Like, let's not say that this group is better than the other or this artist is better than the other. Let's support all of them. Kung hindi mo trip yung kanta or style ng isa, wag na lang. Let's all go for peace. Kasi at the end of the day, tayo din ang mag-benefit sa success ng P-pop industry ng mga artists na to.
Yung reaction na sabi ni Mami Raquel Pempengo na ang boses daw ni Stel ay parang Jed Badel at hindi ka boses ng anak. Something like that.
Well, I'm flattered. I'm flattered kasi parang nagiging basis of comparison yung boses ko, na pag lalaking mataas na boses, it's always, compared to me. I'm flattered. I'm very flattered sa mga ganong comments. It's just so sad that sometimes people, take it out of context, na parang misunderstand nila na, it's just plain and simple saying na magaling, malajad Madela, or ganyan. But sometimes they kind of put words in the mouth of other people. Kaya minsan nag-aaway-away na lahat. Again, I'm all for peace. I'm all for support for everybody. Kaya, sana before we react and throw in our opinions sa social media, let's think first, pause and think if may basis yung ipopost natin, di ba?
Jed, ako may mga questions lang. Coming up with the title na Welcome to My World, diba? Parang it's like opening your life to the public. Ang alam ko, very private sa iyong buhay. So, paano ka na-convince to be the title of your concert is Welcome to My World?
Yeah, I'm very, very private. But at the same time, there are parts of you as a person that you really have to show people, especially that I'm in the industry, that people will tag you as public property, na parang they're very interested in your life, and sometimes because of being too much private, people misunderstand you, lalong-lalo na in my case, people sometimes misunderstand me, and they form ideas in their head na na hindi naman pala totoo kasi they judge me based on what they see on TV and this short part lang of a performance or makita lang nila ako sa mall. There's a lot of stories behind that. So yun sa concert na Welcome to My World, I just want to show people another side of me na hindi nila normally nakikita para mas maintindihan nila na kaya pala siya ganyan, kaya pala siya mukhang masungit, kaya pala siya mukhang tahimik lang lagi because there's always a reason behind everything, diba? Kaya sa concert na to, gusto ko ipakita sa mga tao kung anong mga kwento behind Jed Madela so they would understand me more.
Pero pinag-isipan mo ba na with this help my career or baka mamaya mas mabash ako, ma-judge ako ng mga tao because I opened my life to the
Yeah, you know what?
public?
Bashing will always be there. I mean, I've learned my lessons kasi dati I was very, very outspoken when it comes to my opinions and things that I believe in. And you will never please everybody. Meron at meron pa rin magbabash sa'yo at magte-take ng sinabi mo into a negative light, di ba? So, ako inisip ko ngayon na life is short and I mean, you have to enjoy yourself as long as you know that you're not hurting anyone or not destroying anyone. Tuloy-tuloy lang. In this case, with Welcome to My World naman, I guess that's how, in my own opinion, that's how you stay relevant to the society right now or to the industry right now when you are authentic, when you are sincere, when you are real. So, yun, in this small crowd in Music Museum, doon ko mapapakita sa mga tao yung authenticity ko as a tao, as a human being, not just as a performer. Na my vulnerability as a person na hindi lang ako yung nakikita niyo na wow, grabe, very strong, powerful kasi grabe siya kumanta and all. I also get hurt. I'm also human and doon nila makikita lahat yun sa concert.
Kasama ba dun sa mga times na na-hurt ka, yung nabubuli ka, nababash ka?
Oo naman. Hindi ko naman siya i-deny na hindi ako nasasaktan. Of course, everybody will get affected when it comes to bashing talaga. But at this point, parang I mean, wala ka na ring choice eh. People will do it regardless of if you react or not. Magbabash at magbabash. All you have to do, it's your own decision na how do you react to it. Like for example, on social media, nakikita akong nagbabash sa akin. Block. Tapos, 'di ba? Wag mo nang pansinin, wag mo nang basahin, wag mo nang i-acknowledge.
So yung